Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Inkling in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. First, let's understand Inkling's core mechanic. Ink. Your special moves, like Splattershot and Splat Bomb, consume this precious resource. The more ink you land on your opponent, the more damage they take from your subsequent attacks, up to a 40% increase. Remember to refill your ink by holding shield and pressing the B button, but be mindful of your vulnerability during this process. Now, let's talk about the neutral game and spacing. Splattershot is excellent for zoning and building ink coverage on your opponents from a safe distance. For quick approaches, Inkling's dash attack is a fantastic, low-profile option that can catch opponents off guard. Don't forget the Splat Roller. It can bury opponents into the ground, creating prime opportunities for powerful smash attacks or other devastating follow-up combos. Mastering these tools is key to controlling the match. Moving on to combos and securing those crucial knockouts. Inkling's down throw is your go-to combo starter, often leading into multiple aerial attacks for significant damage. When your opponent is heavily inked, a well-placed back air becomes an incredibly potent kill option. Additionally, Inkling's up air is fantastic for juggling opponents, allowing you to rack up damage and even secure early knockouts at higher percentages. Practice these sequences to finish stocks effectively. Finally, let's cover recovery and edge guarding. Inkling's super jump, performed by pressing up and B, is your primary recovery tool, granting excellent vertical distance to return to the stage. When edge guarding, consider using a Splat Bomb offstage to pressure opponents attempting to recover low. For a horizontal boost during recovery, your side B, the Splat Roller, can be surprisingly effective. Mastering these techniques will help you survive longer and prevent your opponents from returning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.